Fusion 360 or SolidWorks? What's the right CAD tool for you? I get this question all the time, so let's break it down in just 2 minutes. If you're a beginner, a student, or maybe starting your own business, Fusion 360 is probably your best bet. It's budget-friendly, works on both Windows and Mac, and even offers a free personal version. Plus, everything's in the cloud, so you can work from anywhere and easily collaborate with friends or teammates. The interface is unified, meaning CAD, CAM, and CAE are all together. No more switching between different programs. And if you're curious about AI or generative design, Fusion 360 actually leads the way for 3D printing and design optimization. But if you're working for a big engineering firm, or you're handling massive industrial assemblies with hundreds of parts, SolidWorks is still the industry standard. It's designed for professionals who need powerful simulation tools and can handle thousands of components without breaking a sweat. SolidWorks runs locally, so if you have a powerful computer, you'll really notice the speed, especially with huge projects. Just remember, it's Windows only, and the price tag is much higher. Think $4,000 upfront, plus yearly fees. So, quick recap. Go with Fusion 360 if you value affordability, cloud-based collaboration, and you're not working on gigantic assemblies. Choose SolidWorks if you're an advanced user, need robust simulation, or work in industries like automotive and aerospace. Still can't decide? Try out Fusion's free version or SolidWorks trial and see what fits your workflow best. The real winner is the tool that helps you bring your ideas to life.